everyone. So today I'm shooting a video on the math boxes that I created for my kids that work for us, of things that I found at Dollar Tree, Amazon, Target, things like that I know will work for my kids. So I'm going to show you that. If you're interested in finding out more about math manipulatives, stay tuned. The things that I use, and I created my own math boxes. As you can see, I have a set of base 10 blocks. I bought this about 3 to 4 years ago, and it has held up well. Then I have an Abacus, and then this right here is the math box I created for myself with things I found. And this, I'm just going to show you this. This is my kindergartner's box. These are just connectors. They connect and she can make shapes, robots, houses, and things like this. I found this on Amazon. I will try to link it. As you can see, they have squares and mainly triangles in this set, but she does use it in it to create things for me. This next box, I found the actual container at Walmart. I think they're between $7 and $8, and what I like about it is that it just snaps open like this. And if you can see on the top right there, I found this little sticker at Walmart with the different subjects, and I just put this on the outside of it. Now I have some old checks and change in here because we're working with money, and I just put this in here. I have some math fraction box that I found on Amazon. I have a timer. It came with something else that I ordered from Amazon. This was with it. I haven't opened it yet. And then I found these little clocks at Dollar Tree. These little toys I use as math counters for my daughter, as well as these little Lego pieces, and I found these at Dollar General. I found these little balls at Dollar General as well. I use this for her math. And then there's some more Legos. Then in here are dice, and this is great for math addition. We play a game with this, and I'll have to show you how the game works, but it's great for mental math. I picked up these dice. I'm not really sure where I found these dice, but I can't wait to use them for math. As you can see, it's a geometric shape and has different numbers on them. These are little numbers to help count to 100. That's in here. They go with this chart. The little number tiles are in this bag, and they go with this chart. I found this on Amazon. I'm using this with my kindergartner to identify numbers. And what's cool about this, let's set this down. This little piece of paper comes out, and then she can try to put the numbers in order by herself. And then on the back, it's a little board. I found this set at Michael's. It has a small ruler, different angle rulers in here as well. This is an old checkbook that we're using, and the balance book that we're using for our daughter who is in 7th grade. She's learning how to balance money. I found these magnetic numbers and math shapes at Target, in the Target spot. I also use dominoes to help with addition, and I'll probably use this for multiplication for my 3rd graders. I have a ruler. Never can have too many of those. And then I have the magnetic fractions in this box as well. And so I just have the connect blocks as well, and then the fractions. I think it goes up to 12. So it has the circles pieces, and then it has the strips, and I can just put this on our whiteboard. And that is what is in our math box. I have one more item I'm going to show you that I'm also going to incorporate into our math box. Well, I think it's too big. I have to buy a bigger math box. This little Abacus on I think Amazon for like 14 bucks. That was the cheapest I could find one, and even in Target the ones I found were around that price as well. I will link this as well. My base 10 box, it's gotten quite a few uses. It came with this book on how to use it. It says it's for grades 3 through 6, but I do use this with my kindergartner. I use the ones, and I put these in. These are the one pieces. I put them in a Ziploc bag. It has 10 100 spots. It has just one cube, which represents the thousands, and then you have the tens. I'm not really sure how many of these there are, but you have those in here, and all this came together. I'll also be using this with my kindergartner, as you just seen her run through the video. It's called Monkey Balance. I've seen another one that actually has numbers higher than 1 through 10 on it. It has double-digit numbers, and I'm thinking about purchasing that as well. But I found this on Amazon, and I will find the link and link it below. So if you enjoyed my math box finds, these are the things that are in my math box. If you enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and have a blessed day.